Hey guys, welcome to my Clickfunnels 2.0 beginners tutorial video, and in this video we are going to show you inside look of the Clickfunnels 2.0 and all the features that they have in CF 2.0, and we will also show you how to set up your domain name, how to set up your DKIM keys even if you don't know what DKIM is, and how to build your first funnel with complete email automation. So by the end of this video you have your up and running first funnel is ready to launch and ready to generate leads for you on automation. So let's log into your account. As you can see, we are in the CF 2.0 members area, and you can see this is the dashboard of CF 2.0. So as we know, we are here to build our first funnel today in this video. So in order to build our first funnel today, we have to set up your domain name. So let's set up your domain name. First you need to click on sites and funnels, then you need to go to domains. Then so there are two options now. First is to buy a domain name, or second is to connect existing domain. So in case you don't have a domain, you can buy here by clicking buy domain. It will take you to this page where you need to enter your domain names whatever you want. In my case it's arjitiger.com for example, and press enter. Then it will show you so many other examples, arjitiger.co.in and so on. So the next you need to do is click on buy button, whatever domain you like. As you can see, it's an Indian currency and it will shows you your country currency. So pro tip here is also opting for Google Workspace here. It's the easiest and the best way to use your business mail into Gmail. So you can check out here by clicking the checkout button. It will take you to the checkout page where you can buy your domain. For just in case you have a pre-existing domain that you want to connect with Clickfunnels 2.0, then click on connect existing domain. It will take you to the page where all you have to do is enter your domain name and hit continue. Then it will shows a window like this. Then click on add domain. It will take you domain name providers that you already have. It doesn't matter which one you have, or it may be a Google domain or a Namecheap. For my case it's a Namecheap domain. So let's start domain setup. Click on the start domain setup, and as you can see that connect your domain to your website. You are a few steps away from setting up your domain. It's secure and easy. Just press on continue button. It will analyzing your domain and detecting your DNS provider, getting you set up. Your setup is ready to go. All you have to do is, it could be a GoDaddy domain or Namecheap or Google. All you need to do is log into your Google or GoDaddy or Bluehost, whatever your domain host provider is. All you need to do is log into them and hit Namecheap says verify your identity. There an email with verification code was sent to your inbox too. So just check your domain, check your email and copy and paste your verification code here and hit authenticate. It will take some time. All right, we detected the existing records at arjitiger.com, and please confirm that you'd like to update these records. Okay, continue. Setting up your domain, hang it there. That could be take up to 60 seconds. Okay, boom, it's done. arjitiger.com is now configured. Change typically takes less than few hours to go live. However, it can take up to 48 hours. For most cases it does in few hours also. So click on done. As you can see, a configuration is on process. We are now waiting to confirmation that your domain setup progress has been successfully installed, and so this may take 24 to 48 hours as we know. So let's click on domains again. As you can see, I have already connected a domain. For example, after your domain is verified, they show everything looks great and healthy and connected too. So when your domain is connected, all you need to do is click on marketing and click on DKIM keys. And as you can see, okay, let's delete this again. All you need to do is add a new DKIM key. It will help you to send emails to your customers. As you can see, I also have a coursefunnelchallenge.com verified DNS record verified. Let's click here. After verification your DKIM keys, it shows a green tick here. Then you can use your domain names to send emails to people. So let's add a new DKIM key from here. As you can see, you don't need to add your www dot here. All you need to do is enter your domain name without www dot, click on create DKIM keys. As you can see, DKIM key was successfully generated. The next step is to set up your DNS records. So in case it may take my last domain, it will take me to 6 days to get verified here. So let's start a DKIM setup here. Click on start DKIM setup and connect your domain to your website. Secure and easy. Press on continue. Analyzing your domain name. Most people skip this part, but you need to do this. Again, logging to your account and hit continue. I think it will authenticate again. So they will send me an email for verification code. Yes, they will send me an email of verification code. Let's wait. Let's enter your verification code and press continue again. And let's see. You don't have to worry. DKIM keys may take up to 6 or 7 days. They will definitely show us it will take 48 hours or 98 hours, but it will make some cases it will take more than 90 hours. For in my case, yeah, as you can see, ajaytiger.com is configured. Change typically takes less than few hours to go live. However, it can take up to 48 hours, but don't worry, it may take more than that. So press on done. After your verification is done, as I also show you, all you need to do is click on your domain and hit verify, and we are unable to contact your domains. So after 48 hours or 90 hours, when you hit verify, it will get verified automatically like this and shows you the green tick like DNS records verified. And after that, all you need to do is set up your workflows or broadcast emails, templates, and so on. So as you can see, meantime we build our first funnel. Click on site and funnels, then click on funnels. Then I also share a link to this funnel that we are going to build today. You can import it to your Clickfunnels 2.0 account for free as a bonus from my side. All you have to do is click the link and it will take you to the page. If you are already logged in, it will automatically import it into your Clickfunnels account. If you do not have Clickfunnels account, you can create one from there too. So let's build a funnel. Click on new lead funnel. As you can see, you also have a pre-built funnel here. So click on edit. You can preview it here. So click on edit button here. Now we are in the Clickfunnels 2.0 editor. Let's see what's here. As you can see, here is a layout and here is my assets, pop-up, code setting. You can change here your backgrounds and typography or editor settings. You can see mobile view here. Here you can redo or undo here. So let's see. All you have to do is change the image here. Like click on settings. You can change your image here by uploading, or you can drag and drop here. So let's see, you also have a pre-built funnel here. It's already set up. All you have to do is change your headline here, your sub headline here, your button CTA text here. You just need to update your privacy policies and your firm name, and the Facebook disclaimer is also here. So all you have to do, let's see if you build it from scratch, how you can do it. So there are three things here. First is add section. First is section. You can see like wide, and then is the column. There are so many types of columns here as we want here. As you can see, we use 2 column row here. So let's build 2 column. And as you can see, you can drag and drop here like this, and the images here like this. And as you can see, input, as you can see button here. You can drag and drop a button here. There are basically three things here. Number 1 is green row is a section. Number 2 is the row, and all of these are the elements. Image element, you can see headline, input, CTA button element, and so on. As you can see, you can delete it here like this, or you can clone it here like this, and you can edit it here like this. So as you can see, let's say first is not required. As you can type it here name, and you can adjust it, and you can adjust padding here. So this is basically it, and you can add another row like this. And add for your policy and disclaimers. So these are basically, and you can add an element here, subheadline here, and subheadline again here, and that's all. We only use these elements here, so you can delete it here like this, and you just need to edit according to your brands and your copy. You can change images as I also already shown you here, and you can edit these. You can say free PDF download here. As same, you can edit headline. All you have to do is click on button settings, and you can change your text here. You can scroll down, and you can change your background here. You can change your text color here. You can change the font and the size. Everything is pre-built for you. All you have to do is change the colors. The theme is okay. All you need to change your copy and your image inserted here, then rest is okay. And if you want to change your background color, you can change it here like this. You can add image. I already shown you how to add an image. So, and you can change the background color from here. And if you do not want the background color, if you like this, you don't need to do anything. All you have to do is just editing these. And after editing these, as you can see, let's see, click on lead funnel. Okay, we do not want to change anything from here, so just we edit your opt-in page. As same, you can edit it. You can edit your thank you page too like this. You can change the headline settings here. You can do this. There are so many different things you can do here. You can change the font size from here. You can change this according to you. You can change the color from here. You can add a background color here if you want. You can change the shadow if you want. There are so many different things. So all you have to do is edit according to you and according to your brand. Rest is okay. So that's all. Your lead funnel is built and ready. Now you can add your domain name from here, and you can change the name of your lead funnel here. You can change it to a live mode or a test mode and hit update. You can discard changes. You can archive this funnel if you want from here. So that's basically it for the lead funnel. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, make sure you like the video. And if you want to set up your domain and the CSS of it, or you want us to set up for you, or you want us to build funnels for you, you can reach out to us at support@arjitiger.com. So if you want to learn more about Clickfunnels and how to edit pages and funnels inside Clickfunnels, make sure you subscribe, because we are gonna give away free courses for complete setup walkthrough of Clickfunnels 2.0. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you.